Hi, so first let's walk through the typical behaviors of Power BI. So my data source has country and sales value, and then I add a slicer. For that, I add country and I set it as a drop down, and then I add a stack bar chart. For that, I add sales value as well as the country. So typical behavior of this one is, let's say if I select headquarters, it filtered the headquarters. If we select India, it select India. If we select Iran, it select Iran. So this is the typical behavior of the stack bar chart filtering. So in this tutorial, what we are trying at is, I want to keep the headquarters as green as a fixed value, and then when I select a country from a drop down, I want it to be highlighted on blue. So that is what we are going to try at in this tutorial. So like that, so headquarters has to be fixed value and then country has to be changed. The country color has to be changed. So this is more like change in the color of a stack bar chart in a more conditional way. So that is the tutorial that we are going to try in today. So to achieve that, first we are creating a new table, right? So we call it as country, and then I want to get the values of the countries into this table. First I do that, right? So my country table is created now. Now for the filter, I use this newly created column instead of the initial table. So I'll release this one. So let's see now if we change this one. So nothing will happen. This table keeps a bit of a static way without changing because there's no any connection between these two widgets. Now I create a new measure called, let's say, color. Okay, what I going to do in this one? So first of all, if the value is headquarters, I want to keep it static. So I'll write it if selected value of sheet 1, the country, equals to headquarters, the color has to be green. Now I want to write the if else part. So in the else part, I write if selected value of the filter tree is in values of country, then I want the color as blue. Else, I want the color as pink. Right, so my measure is done now. So now is the most important part. So then in this bars, I want to change the color based on my measure, right? For that, I need to select this one, right? And I want to go to format and then bars, right? In the bars, the color is there. So I set a function to that, conditional formatting. I use a field value, and for this, I give the color column. Right, so as you can see now, I set the value to Iraq and the Iraq was highlighted and the headquarters set it as static green colors. Let's say if I change something, it goes to Brazil. If I select India, India will be selected. If I select Iraq, it will be selected. If I select Russia, it will be, if I select nothing, so nothing will be come up. It everything will be set it to pink, and the headquarters set as static value. So this is how we kind of format the bar colors in a static stacked column chart. Thank you, and join for the next video as well.